Days after the Aam Aadmi Party government here imposed a complete ban on firecrackers in the national capital till January 1st, 2025, Aam Aadmi Party workers yesterday shockingly burst firecrackers on a massive scale to celebrate the release of the Chief Minister from the jail on conditional bail. Now, crackers as well as fireworks were set afire outside Chief Minister's official residence, the party office as well as the Har jail. Have a look.
बहुत सारे पटाखे जलाए गए यहाँ पे। बैन है पटाखों पे, क्या बोलेंगे?
अभी मुझे मालूम नहीं है। Just reached here. I've just. This is a celebration today. The entire Delhi is very happy. The entire India is very happy that the Honorable CM has got bail in that case, which was totally furgy. So that this is a celebration which is going on. I don't know. I have just reached there. Let me know what has happened. Let me know first. And then I will.
But justifiable है crackers. Arvind Kejriwal was welcomed rather warmly by his supporters and party colleagues. But the supporters burst multiple crackers in his welcome since the last few hours. The distance between me and the camera lens is less than a step. But the pollution levels are so high that I can't seem to know where my camera is exactly. And this is the level of pollution that has taken place. Continuous bombarding of crackers has taken place in the last few hours. And in fact, when we confronted the Mayor Shelley Oberoi on this, she did not have an answer. Even in her presence, the crackers were burst. And in fact, even in Kejriwal's presence, the crackers were burst yet again. Showing you here the visuals, you can see that this area is completely polluted. And towards the other side as well, you can see that air is completely choked because of the pollution. To give our viewers a little bit more context, Delhi battles with air pollution and it is a serious problem that takes place. And still, in fact, Gopal Rai recently held a meeting with several members to combat air pollution. But when it comes to the Aam Aadmi and when it comes to the Diwali, crackers are banned. But when it comes to welcoming their Supremo Arvind Kejriwal, crackers somehow come back. Isha Mishra with Shamim Alam for Times Now.
Now, just few days back, Delhi government, in a bid to control the yearly winter onslaught of air pollution in the national capital, announced a complete ban on all types of firecrackers till January 1st, 2025, as we told you. Delhi Environment Minister Gopal Rai said that the ban will apply to the production, sale, storage and use of firecrackers, including the green crackers as well. Now, BJP has attacked the Aam Aadmi Party, accusing the party of hypocrisy over the violation of a firecracker ban in Delhi that the party itself imposed. Have a look.
दिल्ली में अरविंद केजरीवाल की सरकार ने पटाखों पर बैन लगा रखा है और पटाखे बेचने वाले व्यापारी दर-दर की ठोकरें खा रहे हैं। लेकिन दूसरी ओर खुद अरविंद केजरीवाल के घर के बाहर अरविंद केजरीवाल की पार्टी के लोग पटाखे फोड़ रहे हैं। कहाँ गया अरविंद केजरीवाल का बैन? कहाँ गया अरविंद केजरीवाल का प्रतिबंध? क्या कानून केवल साधारण लोगों के लिए है, विशेष लोगों के लिए कोई कानून नहीं? अरविंद केजरीवाल की सरकार को इस बात का जवाब देना चाहिए कि क्यों जब दिल्ली में पटाखे बैन है तो उनकी पार्टी के लोग क्यों पटाखे चला रहे हैं, ये पटाखे कहाँ से आए हैं और जिन लोगों से ये पटाखे लिए गए हैं उन लोगों को तुरंत प्रभाव से गिरफ्तार करना चाहिए क्योंकि वो कानून का उल्लंघन कर रहे हैं।
दिल्ली में ना जाने किस बात का उत्सव बन रहा है। एक अभियुक्त जेल से रिहा हो रहा है जमानत पर, मुख्यमंत्री नहीं हो रहा। मुख्यमंत्री रिहा हो रहा होता तो वो कल से ऑफिस जाता, सरकारी फाइलों पे साइन करता। ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा। दिल्ली का विकास आज भी नहीं हो रहा, कल भी नहीं होगा। कोई प्रशासनिक काम नहीं होगा दिल्ली में, मगर उत्सव मन रहा है। उस उत्सव को मनाते हुए आम आदमी पार्टी एक विशेष तरीके के पटाखे लाई है। अभी 3 दिन पहले हमें बताया गया था कि पटाखों से दिल्ली में प्रदूषण होता है। बताने वाले गोपाल राय से मैं पूछता हूं, अब इन पटाखों से कुछ नहीं होगा क्या जो मुख्यमंत्री के दरवाजे पे जल रहे हैं?